Today we're putting two roller backpacks head to head, the BAGSMART Blast 43-liter roller backpack, the original, and its slightly more elevated sister, the new Blast Pro 43-liter roller backpack. BAGSMART sent these to me to compare for you. Is the Pro version actually better, or is this just a rebrand with a glow up and a price tag? Let's unpack that, literally. So both of these bags are 43 liters, which is just a bit larger than the average capacity of a hard-sided carry-on, so they are not under-seater bags. They both roll, they both carry backpack style, both are at an affordable price point. But the Blast Pro walks in like it just got promoted and now uses words like ergonomics and premium materials in casual conversation. Let us break down what changed. Let's start with the upgrade that actually made me raise an eyebrow in a good way, the waist support belt. Yup, a detachable waist belt. And before you roll your eyes and think, I'm not hiking Everest, let me stop you right there. This is not about mountaineering. This is about not ruining your back. When you carry a fully loaded bag, especially one pushing 43 liters of just-in-case items, all that weight normally sits on your shoulders, which is adorable for about 7 minutes. After that, your posture starts to resemble a question mark. The waist belt shifts 60 to 80% of that weight to your hips, where it belongs. Your body is literally designed to carry weight there. With the Blast Pro, you clip on the waist belt, tighten it, and suddenly your shoulders relax, your spine stops filing complaints with HR, and you feel stable. And when you don't need it, you just tuck it back in here. Now let's talk about the inside of the bag, because that is where clutter gets politely escorted out. The Blast Pro introduces a combination of water-resistant and regular pockets. Because here's the reality, toiletries can leak, and this pocket is great for all your charging cables or your 1100 pairs of underwear. No judgment. Organization-wise, it's also just smarter. Everything has a place. You're not digging around like you're searching for buried treasure every time you need your charger. If you like to section things off in pouches, the OG Blast will work just fine. If you're a pocket person, the Pro is going to make you happy. Both have velvet-lined glasses pocket, a water bottle pocket that holds up to a 30-ounce bottle, a laptop pocket that will fit a 15-inch laptop, and a top admin pocket that is super useful. Inside, you get a honeycomb lining, which is more breathable and durable than the lining on the OG. It also has this fun print, which cannot be underestimated on the makes you happy for no reason scale. The original Blast, again, perfectly fine, but the Pro feels like an upgrade. Now the logo. Yes, we're talking about the logo. Stay with me. The Blast Pro switches from green to white and uses screen printing. Is it life-changing? No. Is it nicer? I think so. Now we get to the part that will absolutely make or break your experience, the handle and wheels. The Blast Pro upgrades to an aluminum telescopic handle with 4-stage adjustability instead of 2 on the OG. And the Pro has a squared shape grip for better control. It's also flush with the top when every millimeter counts in the bag sizer. And with more adjustment levels, you get the right height and your posture thanks you. Both bags have rollerbladey polyurethane wheels, which glide really nicely on a bunch of different surfaces. I'm sending one of these with my mom to Europe this summer, so cobblestone streets have nothing on her. Also, when I was doing this video, I noticed that something happened to the wheel on the OG, but it still rolls really, really smoothly. So, is the Blast Pro actually worth it? At the time of this video, the Blast retails at $139.99 USD, and the Blast Pro is $159.99. If you travel occasionally and pack light, the original Blast is great for the price. But if you carry heavier loads and are a pocket-loving person, the upgrade is worth the extra $20. So if you're in the market for a new bag, you can get information in the description box as well as a discount code with my affiliate link. If this helped you decide, please go ahead, like the video, and subscribe because it lets YouTube know people like this kind of thing. Thanks for watching.